大家好，我是老外厂长 Yuri, and today we are going to talk about the product's cost and its quality. Many people believe if you want a good quality products you need to pay a higher price, but actually it's the other way around. The most expensive cost is poor quality. So as a customer, if I choose to use a low-cost product, it actually doesn't mean that I'm saving the cost. Sometimes there are hidden costs when you're using a low-cost product. Those hidden costs involve additional machine stoppages. Sometimes the operators need to spend lots of time on adjusting the machine to compensate the poor quality of the grinding wheel. They can spend hours, and eventually it might lead to additional waste or to the machine downtime that wasn't calculated from the beginning. This is the hidden cost of poor quality. In GYSL, through strict quality control, automated management systems, and stable production processes, we can promise that we can deliver the best quality products. We work to minimize the variations in our manufacturing processes and therefore reduce the waste for both you and us. So what I'm trying to say is that the best way to reduce the cost is not to reduce the quality of your product. It's actually not creating the quality problems from the beginning. Thank you for watching.